Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the Bonjour RATP application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see a profile symbol. Press on it. And in this page you should just press on help and contact. I should wait a little bit. Press on verify you are human, and here you can basically see the frequently asked questions. Now this site is in French. If you can, you should definitely translate this page for you to understand it better. If you are already a French, then you will be understanding what it says here, and you can just press on one of these frequently asked questions and you will be able to see here basically the answer to that question in a pretty good detail. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.